Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Parkside Performance Cordless Planner 20 volt, the model PPHA 20 LIB2, bare unit only, battery and charger are not included. Tool compatible with all batteries in the Parkside X20 volt team series. You can use these batteries and for this performance power tool. Recommended smart battery 20 volt 4 ampere hours. With brushless motor, particularly long service life due to less wear and tear, 10 times longer motor life in comparison to a standard cordless planner. Now let's see some of the specs. No load rotation speed 14,000 RPM, planning width it is 82 mm, depth of cut 0 to 2 mm, rebate depth max 17 mm, included accessories we're gonna find out together. Designed in Germany with a 5 years warranty. Who gives 5 years warranty? Only Parkside. Well, let's open the box and find out more about this power tool and how we can use it. Parkside, durable case. I like this black and red. With a handle. And there's the power tool with a manual. If you want to read, it is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Nothing else at the box, only the power tool with this nozzle for your vacuum cleaner. Now let's see the power tool. Nice and soft grip here, I like it. You can hold it very well. The on-off trigger with the safety switch, just press left or right and then press the trigger. The parking shoe, if you don't want to damage any surface, that is a good idea. You can unlock that, remove, it is for the dust, you can clean it and then install it again, installing this nozzle. I like the black and the red around, it looks great. You can adjust the depth from 0 to 2 mm. That goes further in and out. The fastening screw, one here and one here for the rip fence and fold depth stop, not included at the box. And here at this position you can pull that and we have two tools included, one Allen key and one hex key. You can use these keys to remove the blades from here, are very sharp. I like it. It looks great, very durable, well manufactured. And of course, to use this planner you need batteries. You can use the 2 ampere hours, I don't recommend it if you want more power. Recommended the 4 ampere hours, this is not the smart battery. I have the smart battery 8 ampere hours. And then just press the trigger. Nice! Low sound, I can say it is a brushless motor, that's why. And after using for a long time, you can even remove this cover. We have a belt inside and you can clean it. Well, let's move on for testing. Okay, I have this wood and I need to clean from the paint. And slowly adjusting the depth. I think I need to connect my vacuum cleaner. Well, good job. Another type of wood, starting with next from 0. Oh, nice. And we can see the difference between here and here. It is clean. You can work more and have better results. And another wood for cleaning. And again we can see the differences here and here. So clean, so smooth. I like it. I like these results from these 3 woods. Fast and clean work. You can use this cordless planner to a variety of jobs. And because it works with battery, it's portable. You can use it anywhere, anytime. It costs 70 euros, but if you don't have any batteries from Parkside, you need to give another 33 euros for the 4 ampere hours and 70 euros for the 8 ampere hours and another 15 euros for the charger. Well, do the math and in the end you will find out the cost. Thumbs up, I like it, fast and reliable, cleaning my woods. Until my next video, my viewers, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second, press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.